The day after the joint address, the court did the funniest thing ever, which is to say that less than 12 hours after DJT proclaimed to everyone the administration's freezing of foreign aid as one of its singular major achievements in the month in which it had been in office, the court, by the thinnest of margins, said, yeah, no, dude, we're not doing that.
So that's right. On Wednesday, in a cryptic one-paragraph order in a case captioned Department of State versus AIDS Vaccine Advocacy Coalition, the court rejected the administration's request that the court vacate D.C. District Judge Amir Ali's order directing the government to disperse various frozen foreign assistance funds. Now, this was an order on the shadow docket. It was brief. It was unsigned. It was likely written by Chief Justice Roberts because he, about a week earlier, had granted an administrative stay in the case, and he usually writes these things anyway. But bottom line, the administration lost narrowly, but very significantly.
All right, so what does this all mean? First, as Kate said, this order is really cryptic, very spare in its language. Judge Ali had issued a temporary restraining order and then a subsequent order enforcing the TRO and requiring the federal government to pay a bunch of already appropriated foreign aid funds. And it was this enforcement order that the government was trying to get the court to stay, like basically get the court to agree that they didn't have to pay this already appropriated money. There are injunction proceedings that are still ongoing in the district court, and the Supreme Court basically told the district court to just clarify the scope and substance of the government's obligations to comply with the disbursement of the funds and to basically be accommodating of the government as the district court set deadlines related to the disbursement, right? Here's the bottom line in all of this. And of course, the details are to be determined, but it's really, really important that this happened because it should mean that some of the funds which were unlawfully frozen and were not paid to these organizations will actually start flowing to them as Congress intended when it appropriated the funds for foreign aid.
Yeah. And right, given the stakes, some of this is literally like life or death aid. It cannot start flowing soon enough. But, the other big takeaway here is that it's pretty chilling that this vote was 5-4.